Hey, it's Diane from So Charming Quilts, and I just wanted to show you the progress that we have made on our April quilt, stained glass. We have sewn all of our blocks together and added our sashing, so now our directions are to sew rows 1 through 8 together and then rows 10 through 17 together. We'll do some pressing and we'll have 2 large triangle portions of our quilt. We're going to then carefully take our row 9 and sew it between the 2 halves of our quilt. And we'll come back and trim it because the quilt is actually set on point, but you sew it in rows. I'm going to come back in my next video and show you how to put those rows together so that you can match up that sashing so that it's nicely aligned throughout your quilt. I hope that you'll join us for our next video. You can subscribe on YouTube so that you don't miss any of our videos on any of our calendar quilts that we are working on. Thanks for joining.